Hi scholars, today we're going to be working on adding 2-digit and 1-digit numbers. Before we do that, we need to figure out what is a digit. If I have the number 9, that's 1 digit. If I have the number 57, that's 2 digits. And if I have the number 100, that's 3 digits. So now you know we're going to be adding 2-digit and 1-digit numbers. Before we do that, I wanted us to review what tens and ones look like. Don't forget that when we draw tens, they're represented by rods, and ones are represented by circles. If you have 13 ones, we're going to need to regroup that because it's more than 9 ones. This is how you'll know. Let's put the number 13 in our 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I noticed that 13 fills up an entire 10 frame. When something fills up an entire 10 frame, we need to regroup that for 1 10 and 3 ones. So here's an example of how we can solve 2-digit and 1-digit addition with and without regrouping. The first thing we need to do is a quick draw. This is the same thing as sketch it out. My number is 34 plus 5 equals, we don't know yet, so let's represent that. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, plus 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what we're going to do is we need to group the tens together and the ones together, just like how we did it in week 6. How many tens do I have? I have 1, 2, 3. 3 tens makes 30. Plus, how many ones do I have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My number is 9. It does not fill a 10 frame, so I'm not going to need to regroup. 30 plus 9, I think that's a little bit simpler than adding 34 plus 5 because we can just do our tens and ones. 39. This is the same thing as 34 plus 5 is 39. The next way you need to know how to solve it is with your words. So 34 is how many tens and how many ones? I can look back to my picture. 34 is 3 tens and 4 ones, plus, don't forget the plus, 5 ones. Once again, we are adding the tens and the ones together. 4 plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 9 ones. It does not fill my 10 frame. I don't need to regroup. Bring the 3 tens all the way down because you have your 3 tens already. 39 is 3 tens and 9 ones. That's correct. Okay, we're going to try the same thing again with the quick draw and our words. So our equation is 45 plus 7. We draw that out as 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, plus 7 more ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And notice how once my ones fill up to 5, I make a new row. That's so I can help keep track of where I'm at. We start by counting up our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's way more than 9. We're going to need to regroup. So to regroup, we need to put 10 ones and regroup that for one group of 10. Let's see how that looks right now with my red marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from our 45. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to circle those, and this is how you can remember that you're regrouping. I like to draw a little arrow and draw another 10 to represent that. So now we have 1, 2, 3, now we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Our number is 50, and that is 5 tens. And now we have to count the ones. Remember, we don't count these because we already regrouped those for one group of 10. So now we have 1, 2, plus 2 ones. 50 plus 2 ones is 52. That's the same thing as 45 plus 7. Now we're going to do it in words. 45 is 4 tens and 5 ones plus the 7 ones. We're going to start by adding our ones. 7 and 5. Let's see. 5 ones is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 ones, I'm going to color these in so you can tell which ones go with which number. We're doing 7 ones now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, that fills my 10 frame, and I have extra. So this is how we're going to switch it out. We have 10, 11, 12. That is 12 ones, which is the same as 110. You can see it's 110 by looking at our whole 10 frame, and 2 ones. So now you have 4 tens plus another 10 plus 2 ones, which is 410 plus 110. That's even represented up here. You can check your work. 5 tens and 2 ones is 52. This last equation we're going to work with is 18 plus 8. This time we're going to start with the words and finish with the quick draw. Maybe one way is easier for you, maybe a different way is easier for you, but you should try both. 18 is 1, 10, because I have a 1 in my tens place, and 8 ones, plus 8 more ones. Maybe you want to represent that with 2 colors. That might even help you see. So 8 ones. First we have the ones first. 8 ones looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the other 8 ones is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, I have a lot of extras. So we are going to need to regroup. 8 plus 8 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have 16 ones, which is the same as one group of 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. Now we do 110 that we had from here, plus this other 10, plus the 6 ones. 110 plus 110 is 2 tens, and I have 6 ones. That is the same as 26. Now we can do it in our quick draw. 18 looks like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First we add up our ones. Remember, we have to regroup our ones to make a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle those. These ones can be regrouped for 110. So now I have 1, 2. I have 2 tens. That's 20. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. 20 plus 6 equals 26. That's the same thing as 18 plus 8 is 26.